Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by preparing both devices and granting permissions so screen sharing works reliably. First, make sure your phone and the device you'll cast to are on the same Wi-Fi network. This reduces lag and discovery problems. Next, update the Netflix app and your phone's OS, then enable screen recording or casting permissions in settings. Once done, close other streaming apps to free resources, and sign into Netflix so you can open the title you plan to share immediately. Now you'll initiate the actual stream. If Netflix shows a cast icon, tap it and pick the receiving device. This is the simplest route because it uses the app's optimized stream. If cast isn't available, open your phone's screen share or screen recorder, select the target device or start recording, and toggle microphone off to avoid extra audio. Make sure your phone is in the right orientation, lower brightness to save battery, and enable Do Not Disturb so notifications don't interrupt the viewing. Finish by confirming smooth playback and cleanly ending the session. Watch for audio-video sync. If you notice drift, pause and seek a few seconds to resync the stream. When you're done, stop sharing through the control center, screen recorder UI, or the Netflix cast icon so playback returns to normal. If Netflix blocks sharing or shows a black screen, try a wired HDMI adapter to the TV or switch to a remote viewing app. This workaround often bypasses app-level restrictions and restores visible video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.